In this exercise 4.4, let's try to draw isometric view of given orthographic drawing. Now if you carefully observe, to draw this inclined surface, we have only given the angle. Especially angle will get changed in isometric drawing. So we need linear dimensions to draw it, right? If you carefully inspect it, this is 45 degree, the vertical dimension given is 60. So as per the mathematics, this is going to be 60 millimeter dimensions. Similarly, this is 30, vertical height is 60. So based on tan theta, this is going to be 34.64. So I will take it 35 roundly. Now based on that, let's try to construct this isometric drawing of given figure. Now for your reference, this is the solution. At first instance, you may find little bit tricky because of this inclined surfaces. So let's together try to solve this exercise in AutoCAD. Now let's draw line of 100 millimeter, then up by 10 millimeter, then back by 100 millimeter, then close it. Now from this direction, that is ISO left, it is 70. So move by 10. Now here we have to move, that is 70 minus 40 is 30 and half of that is 15. So this is 15. Now similarly from here it will be 15 again. Now let's try to draw the upper geometry. For this we have to take the dimension called 60. Okay. So from this location it will be 50 because we are subtracting the 10 dimensions. Now horizontally it will be 60 as explained in PowerPoint, or you may see in this orthographic view, right? So join back this line. Now remove this line. Okay. Now from here the total is 60 as shown in orthographic, and this is 35. So it's 95. So in between there is a 5 millimeter of distance. Okay. Now let's draw another part. From here it is B15. Let's join this line and join this line. Okay. Now let's copy this part. CO for copy. This one, or simply let's select everything. Now the depth is say 40 minus 20. So 20 is a 10. Okay. Again from here it will be 30 and it will be 40. So I have added copies of each part, right? Let's say L space again, and let's try to draw the upper part from here to here, then again from here to here, and this final. Okay. Now one more thing, to draw this 40 slot having depth of 40 millimeter, that is shown hidden in a side view. So for that we have to draw a line downward by 40 millimeter and horizontally by changing the plane. Okay. Similarly, let's draw from here, it will be 40 and outward. Now let's trim additional part like this, this one, and this one. Okay. Now let's draw the joining part over here. Now let's try to complete the remaining line. So let's delete this part. Okay. Now let's trim this portion, and this portion. Also remove the hidden line which is not visible from the ISO, right? So zoom in. Now let's trim this part again. Now let's remove this part. Trim out this part, this one, and this one. This is how we are going to complete this exercise. Student, if you find that I'm going a little faster, just pause the video and try to follow the steps to complete this exercise.